Sister Kate, do you know what a relative noun is?
Of course, yes. Relative or interrogative pronouns are pronouns used to ask questions. They are sometimes labeled with WH-headed pronouns, although how is inclusive here. Examples are who, what, which, whom, when, whose. These interrogative pronouns are categorized into three major forms according to their usage. These are subject form, object form, and possessive form. Subject form of pronouns are who, which, and what. For example, what is your favorite drink? Who locked the door? Which clothes will you wear today? Possessive form of pronoun. The only interrogative pronoun that falls into this category is whose. For example, whose pen is this? Whose parents are these? Etc.
Oh, sorry. Oh, thanks, sister. I think I have to go to bed now. Can you please tell me what distributive pronouns are before sleeping?
Okay, distributive pronouns are the pronouns used to distribute the meaning of what we are saying over two or more things without mentioning definite numbers. For example, many are called but few are chosen. The words many and few in the above extract are called distributive pronouns. Others are all, either, etc.
Thanks, sis.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.